In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Twitter tracker on Axiom. Now, the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features completely for free, such as the wallet tracker, Twitter tracker. They have a reward system which basically gives you Solana back just for trading. You can trade perpetuals, set your own presets with custom different fees over here, etc. So again, link down below, make sure you check it out, you won't regret it. Now, to actually add a Twitter tracker on Axiom, it's very simple. Go to trackers up top over here, should be the third tab. And then here on the right, you'll be able to see two buttons. The first one says customize feed and the second one are Twitter alerts. Now here, you first want to go to customize feed, and in here you'll be able to add all your handles you want to follow. So for example, let's say you wanted to follow Elon Musk over here. You just go ahead, click on add handle, type in their handle, Elon Musk. I have them following already, as you can see. And then after you do that, it will be added to your list. You can add as many as you want over here, or you can just go to top subscriptions and see what a lot of people are subscribed to as well. Now, after you've done this, you can go to Twitter alerts over here and you can see actually what's happening from those people. So what they're tweeting, what they're saying, and then when you see this, you can basically make decisions on buying meme coins based on that. So this is how you add a Twitter tracker, but of course you can do that on any page. So you can go to polls, discover, wherever you want to be inside the Axiom platform, and you can just click on Twitter tracker down here. It's going to pop up on your screen. And you can basically just add it to the left over here like this. You can have it as an overlay wherever you want. You can even make it smaller or bigger. You can take it to the right hand side if you want that as well. And of course, it's completely customizable and completely up to you. And then you can see all the posts from all the people you are subscribed to and all the handles you follow over here. And that way you can make your decisions on buying meme coins. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.